Well, the startup would be like 50.
Okay, and then
So it
you
would be
right
kind of
now.
like a downgrade.
All right, so you would have to take a pay cut for like 2-3 years.
Yeah, just about.
Okay, what would you max out at?
As an accountant, I wouldn't know because I haven't gone through all the steps. I will have to know once I get the job, and I will know what like my max pay would be
Okay.
once they
Do you have your
promote me and stuff like that.
do you have your MBA right now? Are you like certified?
No. It's a connection that I made, and I have my 2-year associate in accounting, so it's through more like connections that I know that they were gonna offer me that job.
So you wouldn't be a CPA then?
No, correct.
Nigga, just stay UPS.
Yeah,
nigga.
bro. Then
Stay UPS,
what I
bro.
would do is, because it seems to me it's very obvious that you just probably want to stop working, right? You want to get into real estate and use that. You want to essentially invest into real estate and get out of the working class, right?
No. I actually really do enjoy my job, and I really just care about the money. That's really about it.
Well, what is it? Is
I
it
just
do you
wanna
care
make
about
as
the money,
much
or do you
as I
or do you
can
like your job?
every time. Go ahead.
What is it? Do you care about the money, or do you like your job?
I like the money. I like the money.
Yeah, let's keep it all the way 1,000. Let's not lie to ourselves here. So you care about the money. So if you care about the money, I would just do this because it's probably going to be simpler. I would just continue to work at UPS, work more hours, make more money, hit that 100K per year, take that money, invest as much of it as you can, keep your costs extremely low, and then go ahead and start investing that money into real estate, get as many properties as you can, and start to offset. And as you make more money from real estate, you're going to be able to work less hours with UPS, and you're going to start to slowly buy your time back. And then you'll get to a point where you can work, your 40 hours per week just because if you want, or if you want, you can leave it all together once you build up a certain real estate portfolio.